Want to add an outline to your shapes or text? Here's how. First, start by opening your image in Befunky. Click on the Graphics tab, choose your shape and place it on the image. After positioning it, select the shape and in the settings, you'll find the option to add an outline. You can adjust the thickness, color and style of the outline to make it pop. You can also add an outline to your text by selecting the text box and choosing the outline option in the text settings. Click apply to save your changes and you are done. Adding outlines make your shapes and text more visible, especially when you want to emphasize specific parts of your design. How often do you use outlines in your image? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.